basic idea about the learning, about the R Studio. And how many of you already installed the R Studio? So I really want everyone open the R Studio now and try to practice something for today. Okay, so let me share my screen with you guys so we could have a practice. Let's see. Okay, now you guys can see the R Studio screen. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's start our basic uh, exercise again. And in here, last time we were talking about how to make the matrices, how to make the functions. Yes, we were talking about how to make function. Okay, so last time we tried find matrix. Okay, so today the first thing I want make a function. Okay, what should I give you? Okay, so make a function, make such a function. If I write your ID number, then it will give me your name. Or if I write your name, it will give me your number, ID number. So can you make like this thing? Can you make a function like this one? So let's see who gonna send it to me first. Okay, yes, try. Please try. And then I will also make the function. Hmm. Okay, anyone tried to make the function? Okay, there is. Okay, good. There is one student. Okay, so what did he do? He made a ID table first, and in the name of ID table, he gave the different name like this one. Okay, good. First, he made ID table, and then he made the function to look up ID based on the name. ID, okay. So where did you learn this if else? I didn't teach you yet about the if else. Oh, why you guys are sending me your IDs? Did I ask you to send your IDs? I said make a function, not send me your IDs. Okay, so one student, you made this function is good, and I didn't teach you the if else command thing, but I think most of the students they will not have any idea about this thing. Okay, anyone else try to do a simple thing? Okay, no. Okay, so I will give you another. Mhm. What should I give you? So make a function. Make a function. Okay, so make a function that converts centimeter into inches. Make a function that will convert centimeter into inches. Okay, so let's say make a function to convert cm into inches. Okay, it might be easier. Okay, centimeter to inches. Good, inches, return inches. Okay, this one is good. Centimeter to inch function. Okay, so now make a function that will convert what you can say the kilometers into miles. Kilometer into miles. Make a function that will convert kilometer into miles. Okay, yes. Okay, so now make a function that will convert your meter square into inch square. Make a function that will convert your meter square into inch square. Kilometer to miles, yes, it's correct. Many students they are sending me. So send me the one converting meter square into inch square. If I give the area into meter square, it will give me the area in inch square. Okay, meter square conversion, it is 115 area function. Okay, so there is one. Let me copy it. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you in here. So for example, the one student he made a function meter to inch square, meter square to inch square. Let me run it. And okay, so whenever I write m2 underscore, okay, like I say 5 meter square, it will convert me into 7750. Okay, so this is good thing, and I think this one is correct. Okay, there is one more thing. You can put the default values as well. For example, if I say x is equals to 5, right? I will run this one function. So whenever I will run m2 underscore this one, if I forget to put any value in here, and I will just run this code and then run it, it will give me 7750, because in here we give a default value in here, right? So sometimes you can give the default values because you want to see it is working. If you will put this one, it will work. Okay. And you can say also give x is equals to 7, it will still work, it will still work correctly. Okay, so sometimes you can put the default values as well. Okay, so many students, they send me the code for making the function. And then one more thing I want to tell you. Sometimes I want to give one statement. Okay, so what I want to say that, um let's say the area is blah 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 something, right? I want to say this one. So what I will do for this one, I would say, okay, return, and then there is a paste command. Just put the paste 0, and then put the value like area is, and then comma, and then x. Okay, and then I will just comment this one. It will not. So the student who make this one, I would suggest you, whenever put this value, just put it x1. Give a different name from here to here. Just give a different name. Okay. So copy and just put it Control V. Okay. So let's run it. Okay. And then I want to run this one. And now see, it is showing, oh, it is should be area. Area. Now it is showing me, it is giving me this particular statement, area is this one. Okay, so now it is showing me that the area is, it is giving me a statement in here. It is not saving the value as a, what you can say, numerical, but it is giving me as a statement. Okay, Is it clear to everyone? So this function is really good, and you can use this one, paste 0. This function, you can give the argument, and it is really good function. Okay. Okay, so what else? What else could be? Um, Now you guys can make the matrix as well, right? You guys can make the matrix and arrays and the data frame. I think it might not be that difficult for you guys now. Okay. So so now I want every one of you, please try to make one data frame. Remember, I tell you a data frame, how you can make the data frame. So in R, we can make a data frame, like earlier I told you, like in this way. Data frame, the first one, the second column, the third column, fourth column, you can make the different things as well. So we talk about the data frame or not? Anyone can tell me? I forgot. We talk about the data frame or not? Okay, yes. So we can also make data frame, matrix, array, like anything we can make it in this one. So for example, this guy, he made this one, uh, the data frame, and let's see the data frame. It looked like this one. This is name and ID, and then he tried to find this one. So I don't want to talk about like the loops in R for now, because it will just confuse you. I want you to do more practice and more practice in this one, especially in the R. So we can learn about our the loops and the other functions as well later on. But for now, just practice the function, how to make the function in R. It is really important. Okay. So okay. So now make a function. Um, make a function. Make a function such that what uh oh wait. Okay, so now make a function. If I give one numerical value, it will give me the square root of the value. It will give me the square root. Make a function. If I put a numerical value, it give me a square root. And it should also show me that the square root of this is this. Okay. It should display like this one, the square root of like x is this. Okay, so it should display me like this one. Okay, paste the square root of this. Okay, so there is a one student, he sent me. Let me try. Okay, students, see one thing. There are some students, they get this kind of error. For example, if you run this code, it will show you something over there. There is a plus sign here. So you will stuck over here. So the problem in here is a bracket. There is a missing bracket. So whenever you go with this one, always check. For example, if I click in here, you will see this bracket is highlighted. So it means there is one error somewhere. It is showing me in here. So right now I have to put this bracket in here. Right now my everything is okay. And now whenever I will run this code, it will show me this error. It will always show me this error. And whatever you write, it will not work. And then you will just be mad. What is going on in here? Let's say I write NUM function, and then let's say I say 5 and then run it. So it is not giving me anything in here. So the solution of this thing is that just go in console section in here, press escape, right? So when there is this arrow sign, it means it is working good. But if it is plus sign, it means the code is in running process. So whatever you made, it will not work anymore. Okay, so now when I will run the code, then it will work. Okay, the square root of x is this will. Okay, good. Okay, good. That's good thing. Okay. Okay, so now make a function that will display your name, like that will display my name. Name is like what? Just make a function like this way. So if there is a plus sign in here, so just go in the console section. This is the console section and press escape. Just press escape, then it will be okay. So you guys are making function that will show that my name is this. Okay. Copy and then let's see. Okay. Name. Okay, name display function, and then my name is Sir. Okay. My name is Sir. Okay, great. And maybe you can just put a space in here, my name space, then it will look better now. Okay, now it will look better. Okay, so my name is Sir. Okay. So thank you for making a functions for me. And then there is one student, he make function. Let's see his name as well. Okay, my name. Okay, so the same thing, just put space in here. Okay, you can just put in here. Also, if you want to add more, like put a comma and then put anything else, and you can say that comma and and I love our studio. Okay, so let's see. Okay, okay, I should put the space here. Okay, now it will look better. Okay, so you can put many things like in this way. Hmm. Okay, great, great. Let me see this one. Okay, name function, this one. Oh, that's great. That's great. Hmm. I think now you guys are learning somehow. And then there's another function. Yeah. Hmm. So function. Okay, great. And another. Why some students keep sending the IDs? I didn't ask the IDs, and the attendance is already done. So you don't need to send me your IDs. Okay, good. I am is RAM. Okay, you can put this one. Okay, just put it here. Okay, and what else? Susan, children, send me this one. And let's see how it is working. Oh, that's good. You are good. And here, okay. And one more thing, you guys, it's okay. So for example, if you put like the comma, like for example, it is showing me that some of the part of my code is going on other side. So what you can do, you can just put like this one. Okay, you can put a comma and then press enter. It will, the code will still work. Okay, it's totally fine. Okay, so you can you can just add even the before, like you can say that um hello. And okay, now it will be hello world, my name is this and I am this student. Okay, so you can add even before and after. You can just put it in anything. Okay. I hope this thing is clear to everyone, and I will leave this week for you. Like you practice more about your basic things, like making function, making matrices, making the arrays, data frame. I am giving you more time for this one, and for now, just practice this one at your homes. And yes, we will have class tomorrow. Yes, we will have class tomorrow. So tomorrow again we will practice some R Studio, and we will practice some examples as well. So I think for now I will just say goodbye to everyone, and please try to practice the things more and more, and try to at least spend 30 minutes on R Studio. Try to learn the structure of the things, and the especially how to make the functions, because making functions are really important for our this class. And maybe in the future we will have some numerical problems. You will just make a solution and you will just give the input and you will get the output. You don't need to make the function again and again and again. Okay, so what is your name function? Okay, good. So any question until now? Any difficulty, any concerns, any issues? Okay, so again, one last thing. If you have problem, like you are stuck in here and there is a plus sign somewhere here like this one, just go in the console, press escape and check your code that if the brackets are properly put in there or not. If you are not putting proper brackets, then it will not work properly. And then there will be a sign of plus like this one, and you will stuck over there. Okay. So make sure that whenever you work on this code, there should not be any red line. For example, if I put in here and one extra bracket or like this one, it will show me some kind of error, like it's showing there is error in the 92. So I have to check this one. Okay, so check this one. Then my once my error is done, so it will not show any error in cross or red sign in here. Okay. So see you tomorrow again, and please take care for now. Goodbye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
sir.